Hello, so this is my first video on my new channel. So, I am going to be repairing a old phone of mine. So, the reason I have this is because the old screen, which was an aftermarket screen, to be fair, was it was cheap. It was a really bad, cheap screen, and I let my sister use it because her main phone was broken. And the screen started glitching out. It had a bunch of green lines and stuff. So I tried fixing it, and it completely broke. So let's get the pentalobe screws out. Let's see, I believe it opened. Oh wait, I also need to take the SIM tray. There we go. Sorry for my hand being in the way. I want to go ahead and take out this screw right here. Piece speaker. Well, this screen is completely off now, so here's the very broken remains of it. Broken connector. Let's go ahead and open it up. What type of glue did they use on this thing? Screen assembly. Oh, cool. My very own set of the cheapest tools ever. Let's go ahead and break open the screen assembly. It just pop open like that. And it does have its own seal this time, which I am going to try to do. So, go ahead and transfer this over. Now, I have never actually installed one of these before, so I don't really know how to actually do it. Okay, that was kind of stressful, low-key. But I did it correctly. Well, I didn't really do it correctly, but I did it good enough. Alright. I'm just gonna leave it resting there. Alright, so the phone is working, but it is not sealed. So we need to do that real quick. Then I can go ahead and put on the 3D printed freaking case. And then that will be a completed iPhone 11 screen replacement. Okay, this case is a little bit flimsy, but in the video, hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.